All right, Lee Cole here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and license Bubbles. We have another video that goes over everything that you need to know in order to use it. So, the first thing you need to do is you need to log into your WordPress website. Notice I'm logged into one of our WordPress websites. You will see a dashboard. Your dashboard may look different from my dashboard, this stuff out in the middle. It's going to look pretty much the same over here. Come over here to where it says plugins. Go down to this submenu, highlight, add new, click on that. Now, you will have already or should have already downloaded Bubbles from our members area. When you download it, put it somewhere where you know where it is, in a folder. I've got the example that I'm using on my desktop. So a lot of times when I do this, I like to put the plugin on my desktop. That way it's easy to find and I don't have to go digging through various folders. So the next thing you do, again, make sure you've downloaded the plugin as you hit upload plugin. And you're going to choose a file because we're going to go out into our computer and actually find the file. So we're going to say choose the file. Let's just go, I think it's here. There it is. Easy PPS Bubbles. Okay, so highlight that, open, and then you have to highlight and click install now. We'll just wait for it to install. Shouldn't take but a moment. Now it's installed, but we have to activate it. So you're going to click this blue button that says Activate Plugin. Okay, and here it is. If you need, here's Bubbles right here. Now your plugins that you have on your site are obviously going to be a little different from mine, but you will see Bubbles here. If you need support for any reason, just click on that. That will open up our support desk. And the next thing that we need to do is we need to actually license it. So when you install Bubbles, it will appear here in your list of plugins, but also over here on the sidebar, along with some of your other stuff, you will see Bubbles right here. And so we're going to go to Manage Bubbles. And you see the first thing we need to do is to register it. Now to register it, you will have received a license key in your inbox. If you didn't receive that, hit us up in support. We'll send it back to you, but you would receive a license key and you want to use the same email address that you use to pay with. Okay, so like, you know, when you pay, you have to put in an email address, use that same email address and then your license key. Now I've got my license key for my test account available. I'm going to pull that up, of course, fuzz out the license key and put both of those in these fields and then hit submit. And you obviously won't be able to see the actual license key because you're going to get yours. So I'm going to copy my email address that I'm using. And I'm going to copy my license key. Copy and paste it, don't type it. And I'm going to hit submit. And voila, Bubbles is now licensed to use the software. Click that button that says continue to software. At this point, you're going to need to refer to the next training video that will show you how to actually use Bubbles. Thank you so much. Again, my name's Lee Cole. If you have any issues at all, hit us up in support.